Hey everybody, Golden Asteroid here. Today I'm making manufactured gravel for my driveway. Show you how. So first I went and bought these floor mats like this, right? You take a floor mat, you go to the store. It's a big rubber floor mat like this. See? It's a big floor mat like that. And then you get you some cement too while you're there. Some of that. And then you take two of these floor mats and the cement that you made with one of these, and you mix it to the correct mix. And then you lay it flat like that, and then you spread the cement out like that on it, let it dry on a tarp. Then you end up with these manufactured gravel. See, they're rock hard. And then and it fills potholes in the driveway and by the road. Manufactured gravel. Isn't that cool? They're round, they're like less than an inch, so it's like 3/4 inch minus when you add in all this other fine stuff. So then you have manufactured gravel. And then you beat them out with a wrench. Here, I'll show you. See, they makes these cement gravel pieces like this. See, it just falls right out like that. Cement gravel. See? Cement gravel. They're pretty strong too. Anyway, I'm gonna get the rest of these out of this. See? Let's see. Can you see that? I think so. Yeah, maybe. Can you see that? So there you go. Here. Right. Yep. Then you okay. Then you have all this gravel. See, I had that one with a wrench. It didn't fall apart. Oh, got a mosquito on my head. Oh, you get a off ahead. Cures in about 48 hours. Okay. You sweep them all up. Like this. Oh, the tarp, see. See. One mat's about 20 pounds, or one of this, yeah, each mat's about 20 pounds and it fills up this. Yeah, it makes 3/4 minus gravel. Manufactured gravel, see? Manufactured gravel. Yeah, scoop it out, throw it in here. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Yep.